The Superstition Wilderness sits 1 hour east of Phoenix, Arizona. The most famous lost mine in America is still waiting to be found in this brutal landscape, the lost Dutchman's Mine. Thousands search for the treasure, and many have gone missing, disappeared, and found murdered. The Apache Indians believed the superstitions are the mouth to hell. What do you think, brother?
So psyched right now. Stoke scale 9.5 out of 10.
All right, so that's Miner's Needle up ahead. We're gonna loop around the right side of it, and we're gonna turn north. Looks like some fire activity came through here. See a lot of charred cactus. Or is it cacti? I don't know. It's hot. All right, so it's like almost 1 p.m. Sun is right over us. It's supposed to get up to 98 degrees today. Hottest day of the year. So we planned that right. So we're trying to hug some rocks for some shade here. And yeah, trying to get cool for a minute. What do you think, Cody? How do you like your shade spot?
It's awesome. Beautiful.
Is it everything you thought it would be?
And then some.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, with melty chocolate bar.
Nice. Oh. All right, so we found this really great camp spot. We got shade, we got some blockage from the wind, killer views of the mountains, and the best part is there is a spring right down behind us there. So we will have water, which is awesome. I'm so thirsty. All right, we found water. Look at this. It's beautiful. Oh yeah. Bath time, Cody.
Yeah, I think I'll make something.
All right, so we hiked about 8 miles on the Dutchman's Trail, number 104. It was a pretty tough day yesterday. It's really warm. It's like 95 degrees, totally exposed. Stoke Meter, where it's at?
Stoke Meter 9.6. Almost at 10. Almost at 10. This is a sick picture.
All right, so it's like 1 p.m. We could not find any water, so we're gonna have to backtrack about a mile to some pools that we saw. So we set up a little shelter here behind us to keep the sun away. I'm gonna have a big rice and bean burrito. And my boy Cody's doing a ab workout.
Stoking.
Because that's what you do in the desert when it's 98 degrees. So we're out of water for the day. Couldn't find a source. Here's all we came up with.
It's beautiful.
Tons of tadpoles and gross debris. And my man Cody, the toner.
We got our little oasis over here.
We're
Not
doing-
too shabby.
We're doing a little bandana filtering to get all the tadpoles out.
Little tadpole protein doesn't kill you.
All right, so it's 6 p.m. Sun is getting low. It's cooling off a little bit. So we decided let's climb Black Mesa. It's kicking my ass. But the views are incredible. Almost to the top, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, we started the descent, and our camp is down there. There's the wash we were in earlier, so we're camped somewhere down here. Just a beautiful, beautiful evening here in the Superstition Wilderness, baby. Stoke level?
Stoke level 9.7.
9.7.
We're at a 9.7 right
Wow,
now.
you came down just a little after coming off the top, yeah?
Yeah. This is sick. This is a sick camper. Hold on. Getting ready for some coffee. Some Joe.
I need a Stoke Meter reading, please.
Stoke Meter. Like a 9, 8, 9. 8, 9. A little sad because we're leaving this amazing place, but Can't wait to come back, and also can't wait to start the CDT.
All right, so we're hiking out today, the Superstition Wilderness. Awesome trip. Definitely hot, a lot of respect for the desert, but the views are just spectacular. At the Black Top Mesa, where we summited yesterday. And then awesome Weaver's Needle right up here in front of us. We're walking towards. All right, we're gonna say goodbye to the Dutchman's Trail. We've been on the whole trip. We're gonna head down the Terrapin Trail, right into the sun. Stoke Meter?
Stoke Meter. All right, we are back at a 9.
Wow.
We're at a 9 right now, although I'm a little sad that we're going to be leaving here. It's still amazing. Got some climbing to do. You know, some great peaks, great vantage points, and then we're on to the CDT.
I was looking at the shade from all the way down there. I'm like, get to the shade.
It's crazy, we hit these patches where the sun goes behind the rock. I've never been more thankful for shade. Fucking awesome.
I should have shampooed here.
His monster. Water. So grateful.
If calories weren't in the question and I didn't care.
Alright, I just realized my new favorite bar on trail. Larabar. Lemon. It's awesome. Oh, the final trailhead. Back to the car. Bluff Springs Trail, number 235. All right, we're wrapping up the hike. We're on the final mile. You can see the road that we came in on down there. And then day one, we went out that way. There's Miner's Needle there to the left. That weird rock formation on the right. We looped around and cut up north. Pretty epic hike here in the Superstitions, man. Pretty awesome. It's a beautiful sight. Back to the parking lot. All right, we're exiting the Superstition Wilderness. Brutal but awesome wilderness back here. If you're gonna come out here, make sure you're prepared. It's April 4th and the temps are in the high 90s. Very lack of water. Make sure you know where to find water. Use the shade. You know, look out for your cactus and snakes and all that fun stuff. But it's pretty awesome and pretty stoked to spend some time out here. Now it's off to the CDT, baby. Yeah, brother, where's that Stoke Meter?
Stoke? I'm sad that it's over, so like an 8.8, but then starting the CDT, so add 0.2, so we're at a 9 right now.
Sick.
We're at a 9.
Let's head to Tucson, baby. CDT, here we come.